Do you need to update your Apple ID password to enhance security or regain access to your account? This guide will walk you through the steps to change your Apple ID password quickly and securely. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Navigate to Sign In and Security. Tap Change Password. Create a new password. Enter your current password. Enter a new password that is at least 8 characters long and includes a combination of uppercase, lowercase letters, and numbers. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Tap Change to update your password. Sign in with the new password. After the change, sign back into your Apple ID on all devices and services. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Apple ID password and ensure your account stays secure. Let me know if this guide helped you or if you have any further questions.